Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a unboxing slime. So today we have Okay, so today today we have some slime. I have it's Flarp Noise Putty. So mine's green.
And mine's pink.
And Daly's is...
I know, those are hard to pick. Just leave them out.
Daly's is pink.
Yeah.
Let me try to two colors. So, those are our colors.
It's really hard to get those.
So, today we're just going to unbox them. We're just going to take them out, play with them. We got some... cameras and driving me nuts. So today, we have some little pink plates.
Ah! So stupid.
Okay, there. That should do.
Guys, are you done with Ellie's cake, pretty much?
No.
No.
Okay, so we got Daly gets one.
So
Yeah.
you want to peel the grapes for me in a minute?
Okay, so
Yeah,
there.
sure. I'll show it.
Yeah, I will. So
I will.
Daly has pink. Hers is matching pink, but we only have like pink plates, and we can't play with our plastic ones because they're like for dinner and stuff. So we just decided to use these paper plates. So let's unbox it. I don't know what's wrong with my camera on my phone. Please don't fall. Please don't. I think it's good there. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, let's take it out.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Ew.
Ew.
It got attached to mine.
We didn't buy my baby. We didn't buy our baby sister some slime because she makes a lot.
Daly,
a lot.
my little sister, Daly, she pretends that like, it's cute though. She pretends that we have a baby sister, but we actually don't. She just likes to pretend.
Yeah.
And that's really good though because she has cute little imagination.
Yeah.
So-
and she's in her room sleeping right now because.
So we're gonna do some challenges with this slime.
Yeah.
So we'll each get me and Daly will each get to choose a challenge, and then we'll do it. Okay. So let's put the slime down. Put the slime down. Okay. So. Okay. So guys, we're gonna do some challenges. You can't really see the slime.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
What are those?
So guys,
So we're gonna do some challenges. Let's try to get you guys slime.
Do we need this stuff?
Okay, there we go.
So
We're
here's
gonna
the
get some slime.
Yeah.
Okay, so pick it up, play with it, get it all mushed up. Good job, Daly. Daly's doing an awesome job. Okay, Daly, go ahead, choose our challenge.
You should do whoever can smash this out like this the longest gets 10 likes from my channel and whoever
She just pretends she has a channel, guys.
yeah, and
Okay, so let's do it, guys.
okay, set go. No, like
Can you
this.
help? Can you take this stuff out to the trash?
I'm doing a YouTube channel, please. Okay, guys, so.
Let's see.
I'll take it in a minute.
Ah,
Okay.
guys, this is so cool.
I know, guys. Whoever can make mini with this first wins.
Mini? That's
Yeah.
impossible.
Mini. And just kidding, you guys. So we splattered our slime all out on our plate.
Okay, so.
Let's show Andre. Let's show
Scared
him.
the sheet out of me.
Ooh, that looks awesome, you guys.
My big one.
Here's my green one. Okay, so
Here's a
I
red
get to choose a
circle.
challenge. So we're gonna have to make Mickey Mouse out of our slimes, and the first one to be done wins. Okay, ready, set, go. So you guys will get a detail in my video. Okay, so hey guys, it's me. Daly's over there. She's making her some. Just wait. Okay, so she's gonna wait. I'm gonna make mine. Well, it's not really a race.
You guys
It's not really a race, but Daly's just playing with it right now. Because she just likes to play with slime. I don't blame her. It's really fun. Okay, so we're in. So what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna make my Mickey Mouse, and then I'm gonna turn the camera over to Daly, and she's gonna do hers. So.
One of those are old. The corn dogs, I don't know which one.
Okay, so guys, I got this down.
Oh, because you guys, that's a big. Do I pretend I had you? Yeah.
Okay.
What is this?
Oh my gosh, look at my toys. Look at my toys. Oh gosh, look at this.
Ah, guys, look!
We have more
There's my head for Mickey Mouse. It's kind of crazy. Okay, guys. So I got the ears ready. So we're gonna go see Daly for a second.
Hey guys, so it's my turn. Hey guys, it's my turn. So
Sit down a little bit. Sit down.
I'm gonna make my own head. Very, 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 very head. It's not gonna be like big, like
Just make your head.
it's.
Make your ears.
It's not gonna like be like Drake's because I used it a little piece and my ears aren't gonna be very big.
You don't know which ones are old?
Is your head done?
Oh, I think these.
Is your head done? Is your head done, Daly?
Where's my-
Is your head done?
No,
No, not yet.
and my ears aren't.
Okay, guys. So, hey guys, we're back. So, so just play with it. Don't make your ears.
Crystals are in the very bottom, okay?
Okay, guys. So I'm just shoving this together. I don't know what's gonna happen. So I got my ears right here, all prepped and prepared.
Shut.
I don't really know if this is gonna be a cool Mickey Mouse. It's just
See
gonna be.
where they are, honey? I have no other choice. Freezer, love these froze.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm just not showing you because I want you to see mine. Same time Daly shows hers. So she's working over there right now. How's it going, Daly?
Good. I'm just making my
Oh,
ears.
guys, this looks so like I don't really know,
want
but
to be
okay,
the-
Daly's gonna show you hers.
You guys, I'm not done with my ears yet, so yeah.
They will not.
Sit down a little bit.
Let me make them.
This chicken
And
is
then I'll show you.
what? Chicken is not. I think it was just a little bit.
Okay, you guys, I finally make my ears. They don't look like. Okay, I'm almost done with them, guys. They are gonna look so good on my Mickey Mouse. Oh no, they're kind of stick together. Oh no. Okay, here the Mickey ears where I can't show you because we gotta
Now
wait.
just attach them to the head.
Okay, you guys, let's attach them to the head.
Can I unplug this? And then you put this in there. Sure. And you said yes, you want these frozen in? You need flour right now? Yeah.
Mine is gonna be a pink mini, so we're gonna do this. Mine's looking so good. Jake, how do you like mine?
Really?
Jake, do you like mine?
Okay.
I want to
Cool.
add some holes too.
Okay, guys. So just give us a few minutes. You ready? Okay.
Liquidy.
I'm gonna write hi on mine. Okay, we are back. Okay, so we are done. Okay, ready, set, go!
Oh.
Ah! Oh my gosh, you guys. Daly's looks awesome. Guys, we
Mine-
both did a great job.
mine actually-
That was an awesome challenge. I gotta say, that was a straight, cool, awesome challenge.
Mine actually looks like a cupcake, you guys. See, look at it.
Yeah.
Look at that frosting.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna move on to our next challenge, so give us a few minutes.
Okay, Drake, your challenge is to make a cupcake.
A cupcake, okay. Ah, da, we're back. Okay, so we're gonna make a cupcake now. Okay, so so this time since it was Daly's channel, or what it was Daly's choice, I'm gonna show it over to her first. Okay, guys, see you in a minute. Bye.
So you guys, I want to show you how I make cupcakes. Not real cupcakes. I don't make real cupcakes. Very good. So first you make this plot of cupcakes. Because I'm going to make another.
Dude, you could use your cups.
Okay. I'm going to make a cupcake
I'm
with
just
my...
gonna close mine till you're done with your...
Okay. I'm going to use this. This is my cup. I'm going to cover the whole thing because I don't want anybody to see my...
No, when you're done covering your whole cup, then it's my turn.
Okay, guys, I'm Drake's turn. Face him over to you.
Hey guys! Okay,
Drake, I
so
don't want to
my
use...
side's kind of crazy.
Drake, I
so,
don't want to use my cup.
Yeah, you got to. You got to. Don't ruin it.
Oh, okay, I'll do it all over.
Okay, guys. So now it's my turn. So do you guys know how to do that challenge? Where I don't know how to do it. Okay.
You guys will do the grapes for me?
It's like you
Yeah,
guys.
we will.
I don't know how to do it. Okay, so now we're just gonna flop it down. Okay, see, like this.
Drake, I'm actually not going to cover the bottom.
Okay, well, just cover whatever you need to. So now I'm gonna pick it up. Just glop it down. Ew, guys. Okay, I did it wrong. So I have to take a piece off for the top. So, okay, guys, I don't know. It's fine. Okay. Mine looks like it's fudging out poop. You guys, oh my gosh.
Drake, can I take one out of mine?
Okay. Okay, guys, go check out Daly. See what she's doing.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to mine. You guys, I'm going to mine, so I'm going to do it all over again.
No, that wasn't the plan.
Crap, guys. Drake, stop. Drake, I'm doing it.
No, you're not. You were supposed to have it over already like that.
Okay, I'll do it all over again.
She's doing it all over again, you guys.
Okay, guys, now let's make the frost. I know how to make frosting out of slime. So I'm gonna make cakes.
So we're gonna make cakes and cupcakes, cause mine looks like a cake, not necessarily like a cupcake.
And it has a big bubble.
I know. Oh no, it's melting and that's not good. No! Please don't do this to me.
Okay, you guys. Now mine kind of looks like a cupcake. It looks like a foil cupcake. Like you can jump down. You can. It's just.
Ta-da! Hi guys. Okay, so let's get it. Okay, so there's my glop. So you heard me, like we're gonna do cupcakes and cakes because it's kind of a little hard to do it. So.
Okay, Drake. I'm gonna put this. Drake, guess what? I'm gonna put this as my cake.
Okay, so now I'm gonna make my frosting. Okay.
We don't really have time to make those biscuits, huh?
Okay, so I'm gonna stretch it out and.
Oh, it is peppery fat.
No! It melted! I'm so mad at myself right now, you guys. It melted. I guess I'll just have to make it look like a stupid cake. Okay, guys. So, just go back to Daly. I can't even do this anymore.
Okay, guys. After that, I'm gonna roll this, roll, and then stretch it out like Drake did. I'm doing two things that he did, but I'm really not. So we're gonna put my finger snaps in here, like this, and like this, like this, like this, and like this. And then here's my frosting, and guys, you can't really see it because it's on the table, because we actually did it on the table.
Oh, guys, last challenge, the one who won was me.
Yeah.
And we'll see who wins this challenge.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a nice solid cupcake. Blah, 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 blah. It's crazy. And come and check my videos out. But it's just pretend, Dixon.
Yeah. No, I'm the one who has the real videos. Missy.
Yeah.
But sometimes you guys will see daily in the YouTube channels with me.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's either me and my friends, me and my sister, or just me by myself. Like I did, like calling random numbers, like calling Santa. I did calling Santa, calling Jesus. That didn't work out. I was gonna do calling Donald Trump, but then it was like a bad idea, and I was like, oh my gosh, okay, we're not doing this. And I did that all with Damien Angel Marin at 9. You guys, if you're not subscribed to him, you gotta subscribe to him right now, because he makes cool, fun videos. Okay, just go to the search and type in Damien Angel Marin at 9. You guys, he has such good videos. So subscribe to him, like his videos, and turn on his notifications. Like me, so yeah.
Okay, Drake, I'm getting some good one.
Do your frosting.
Hey guys, I'm putting my frosting right now. I'm just rolling this out.
That was a fail.
And it's gonna be so cute. Because I'm gonna roll 2 out.
That's what it says.
I really don't have much slime.
You don't put it in a dish?
So I'm gonna roll, I don't know how many I'm gonna roll out.
You should stack one over there and then do a swirl on top.
Okay. So you guys, I'm actually putting one more, and then I'm getting a piece of this, and then doing something really cool. Because I'm gonna pop that big bubble. And then now I'm gonna do it.
Is 8, you know?
Oh, I got it here.
Should I cut
Make it
it?
a circle and
What? Probably.
No, it's sinking.
No, it's good. It's good. Okay, just keep it in mind. No! Okay, guys. So just give us a minute. Oh my gosh, mine sunk too. No. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So we didn't do much because it sucked. We thought it was gonna work.
Okay, you guys.
We're not doing it all over again.
We're not.
That's just okay. So guys, I'm gonna show you mine first. It's sunk all the way in there. Are you kidding? Because I was trying to make it and then swirl it on top, but then it sunk. Okay, you go ahead and show yours. Yeah, hers sunk too. Ours both sunk.
Do you know why it stayed right there? Because they're stuck to here, but we can't get them off.
Okay, guys, so we're going to do 2 more challenges. So we're going to do 1 more challenge from me and then 1 more challenge from Daily. And then we're going to have to end this video.
Yeah, and then I'm going to go to the video. I'm going to go to another video, and my brother might join me. I don't know. I'm going to do a channel. I'm going to do a channel where I make cupcakes. My brother is going to join me, right?
Okay, guys. I just took mine out. Okay, so give us a minute. I'm going to decide which is our next challenge. Okay.
Say what challenge is.
The next challenge is we have to
Check my foot is stuck to there. My slime is stuck to the hair. What challenge are we going to do? Check what
we're
challenge.
going to try to do
The hose are going to take forever, huh? What? They're going to take forever. These? Yeah. No, they're little. No, they
Check,
don't.
how about we do it on the white? Okay, Drake.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. We came up with our idea. It's my idea. So
Yeah.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip our plates around to the white side, to the blank side, to the white side.
Yeah, and then we're gonna make pepperoni, so we're gonna get some.
So guys, we're gonna do pizza, and we have to choose different kinds. So I'm gonna do pepperoni. Wait, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do pepperoni.
What? No.
I'm gonna do I'm gonna do cheese.
So Daly's gonna do cheese pizza, and I'm gonna do pepperoni pizza. So, we're gonna like in the other challenges, we're gonna switch to me and then switch to Daly, and then we're gonna show you guys like how to get our routine ready. So since this is my idea, we're going first. Yay! See you in a little bit, Daly. Hey guys, it's me. Okay, so I'm gonna have to like take little pieces off because I need them for pepperoni.
Yes. Yes.
And they're gonna have to be little because, like, you know me, I like.
And he is not bad. Like, he has big old muscles. And,
So
like,
I'm just taking them like apart,
I'm like, dang,
like little
I don't
halves.
know.
Don't make it yet. Just play with it yourself.
Crazy. She has like all kinds
Okay.
of kids, and she stayed at home hope and
Oh my gosh,
Okay, guys. So I think
been there.
I picked enough, guys. So now we're just gonna flatten it out like this, and just put it around this, like gently, slowly.
Just they should be fine. Just, like salt, like all the way through.
Mine's gonna be. My slime looks like diarrhea. I don't know. That's weird. Daly's looks like what's that pink medicine? I forgot what it's called. But I hate it. Like it's the grossest
Yeah, you
medicine
can do that
ever.
actually. I forgot.
Okay, guys, I did it. So. Okay, guys. So I finished with my toppings. So I'm not making cheese pizza like Daly. I'm doing pepperoni. So, okay, so go ahead, guys. Thank you for watching my side. Now go over to Daly's side.
Okay, now it's my turn, you guys. I'm so excited. So,
They can't see your head.
I'm gonna be doing the cheese pizza. So first off, I'm gonna start with this, and I don't know how I'm gonna do the cheese. I'm gonna put a thing on you guys are gonna see it. It's kind of like gonna look like Drake, but not really.
Because
So
mine's gonna have
Have you heard from once and
yeah, his gonna have pepperonis, and then I'm gonna have some cheese crazy. That's because I love cheese. That's why I'm gonna do it. I don't love pepperonis. They're disgusting. Disgusting.
How rude. Okay, guys. So we've got our stuff so far. There we go. Here's mine. Mine's cool. It's cool. It's good. Look, guys. Show yours, Daly. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna put it in the oven, in the pretend oven above us. Ding ding ding! Ta-da! Okay, now we're gonna turn to my side. I'm gonna put my pepperonis on. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, so I'm sorry. Okay. So now we're gonna put the pepperonis on. So we're gonna make them go like this. Hopefully they will not sink in. Pray, guys, pray.
Drake, they're sinking in.
I know.
Huh?
It's okay.
I don't see my door. Huh?
Blue, blue, blue.
it's just gonna flop everywhere.
Mama, did you do the grapes?
Okay,
No,
so
I didn't.
there's
I was waiting for
okay.
you guys to do it.
So Daly's done with hers already.
Yeah.
So guys, let's show our pizzas. Now we're gonna cook them in the oven.
Did you take it with us?
My hands are okay.
Is it in the couch?
Can't see him, can't see him. Can't see our hands, guys. Can't believe
On your bra?
they can only see our armpits. Don't show them that.
Ding ding ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
Okay, so guys, we only put it in for 20. We only put it in for 20 seconds.
Ooh, mine
Okay,
is-
so guys,
mine's
ready,
is-
set, go. Okay, guys.
Ta-da.
So I'm gonna try Daly's pizza, and Daly's gonna try my pizza. Okay, so it comes in half.
Are you going to take it in the car? Yep. I'll help you find it.
You want a little piece or big piece?
So I'm gonna get me a piece too.
I'm gonna get me a piece too.
I don't need to wash it, right? I mean, when they cook it.
Took 2 pieces out, one for you, one for me.
Okay, drink.
Are you done? Sure, guys, we're done. So okay, so let's try each other's pizzas. So Daly, you can try mine first.
You
Yeah.
guys really will do the grapes, though?
Okay, guys. So just don't slaughter it. Okay, guys, we're gonna try it. That was good. Okay, guys, now we're gonna try our own.
How do I get this to stay down? Once you lay them on there. Can you spray it?
Okay, guys, that was delicious. So me and Daly still have leftover pizza. We just took a few slices off. But I guess you can say it was okay. It was okay, guys.
You guys, I'm gonna get on mine right
Okay, so the winner, I think the best has to be Daly's. Daly was pretty good. So the winner of this challenge is D-A-I-L-E-E, Daly.
now.
It comes off, don't worry. Just-
You got stuck.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's the
Just go like this. Go like this.
It's really stuck.
No, it's not. You're just not even doing it right. You're not doing it right. You have to touch it to the parts where. Okay, guys, I don't know what's wrong with her, with us. Well, it's not my fault. Okay. Ugh, I'm gonna kill this phone. Okay, guys. So.
Can you prepare another
Okay, guys.
pan
So
for
we
me?
did it.
Yes.
Daly's is struggling. There's because she doesn't even know how to get slime off the plate. You gotta go like this, Daly. You're not even doing it.
You don't have enough room on that one? Probably won't. Yeah.
How are you almost done?
They're supposed to be spread out.
You guys see it so
It's gonna be hard.
Okay, guys. So, oh, Daly's is all crusty. My plate is like, oh, guys, it's so like crusty.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Mine is like this.
Okay, guys, sit down a little bit.
It's so boring.
Daly, sit down a little bit.
So boring. Oh, my slime.
Ay. Okay, guys. So, Daly.
Can you finish those Gatorades for me?
Mother, I'm doing a YouTube video. Ay, Komposhka. Okay, so Daly, you're gonna do a challenge, and then we'll have to end it. Okay, Daly, go ahead.
So today
Wait, no, wait.
we're gonna we're gonna make we're gonna make cupcakes out of slime.
What? We already did cupcakes.
So we're gonna make mini out of this slime.
Okay, guys, we're back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make mini. So let's just go ahead and do that. So we're turning over to my side. Okay, guys. So hi, we're on my side. Okay, so I'm gonna get. There's extra slime. Would you stop? Okay, guys. So we're gonna stop. Sit down. Sit over a little bit. Okay, guys. Hi. Dude, he's making me so mad, you guys. Just don't get it on carpet. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get a big, huge piece, and then get 2 little pieces and open them up like this. These are gonna be ears. This is gonna be the whole face.
Can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom?
My little sister is. I'm just kidding. Okay. So Daly's going to the bathroom real quick. So Minnie Mouse has to have a bow on her head. So I'm gonna make a bow too. It is? So we're gonna make the face. So okay, so we're gonna make it. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the plate.
Okay, Drake, I'm back. What happened to my slime?
I don't know. Okay, so now I'm gonna make her ears.
Yeah. Look at these, Mom.
Her ears are bigger than her
What's
head.
wrong with that?
That's sad.
Huh? I don't know what that is.
Drake, I made it a bib.
A bib? We're supposed to be making Minnie Mouses.
But you have to do it first.
Do you? Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna make her bow. Minnie Mouse has to have a bow.
Okay, I'm gonna get
So-
started. Drake, can I get started with mine?
So I have a little point, you guys. So now we're gonna make like.
Pretend I was making my clap.
Okay, guys, mine is done. Go on over to Daly.
Okay, you guys, so right now I'm gonna make mine. So I'm making a platter. It's not gonna be very big like Drake's because I don't have any that are like Drake's. So I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna make some big ears. I'm gonna actually add this in there so it can make the thing a bit bigger, the body bigger. So I'm gonna give this a little bit of more slime and this too. So let's make the ears. So first I'm gonna start with this one.
Hurry up, Daly. Mine's melting.
Okay, guys, you better hurry because Drake is about Drake's.
Done? Okay, guys, we're done. Okay, so we're gonna take a minute to discuss. Okay, guys, we're ready for this. Ready, set, go!
Go!
Da-da-da-da-da. I made Minnie's bow. You can't really see it because it came down. It's a bow. She has a bow.
Ta-
Okay, so the winner that won this challenge was
Actually, Drake wins.
so I win, guys. So
I'm
so we
actually
did
glad for
it.
my
Okay,
brother.
Diddy. So now we're gonna put it back in our boxes.
Mine's, you guys can hear this. I know.
It farts, guys. It farts.
Yeah, I do it like this.
That's why it's called noisy.
So because I do it like this, and then I put like I do this. I put the slime cushion, and then I do this.
Where's your lid? You got your lid? Where is it?
I don't know.
Well, it's gone now.
Maybe it fell on the carpet.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Right here. Okay, guys. So. You guys, I'm sorry. So sorry about that thingy. It's like so noisy. Okay, guys, get your hand in there.
Drake, we have
Come on. Okay, guys. So we got it all boxed up. Everybody has to have theirs boxed up.
Drake, wait, we have
No,
the
David.
wrong lid. We have the wrong lid. Open it. Open it.
It's good.
There's green on it. There's green on it. There's green on the lid.
No, there's not. There's pink. Okay, guys. So, sorry. Okay, guys. So, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on my notifications for this video, guys. So, be sure to watch this. Thank y'all.
Back down.
Okay, bye.